Ambunge riu marenda kumenya uria mamilioni ma mbeca iria ciabatie kuhuthika ta marihi ma university kuri arutwo a thirikari university-ini cia andu kiumbe gatagati ka mwaka wa 2016 na 2022 ciraga mathabu-ini ma wabici ya muthurimi wa mathabu ma thirikari.
Those students in those universities.
Kuringana na ripoti ya muthurimi wa mathabu ma thirikari thiini wa mwaka wa kigina 2016-2017 ruhonge rwa ugai wa kigina kia university rwamukirire ciringi milioni 15.75 ici aricio mbeca iria ciahitukitio cia mahuthiro ma arutwo thiini wa university 32 cia andu kiumbe indi ruhonge ruru rukirekereria ciringi milioni 3,195,703 makiria gukira mbeca iria ciahitukitio.
It is good to note where the Auditor General has gotten this figure of 15,743,000. It's a bit of some variance.
The data that we obtained both from the State Department, the funding board, and also the individual universities records. That is to confirm the actual.
Ministry ya Githomo oho ikiendwo gutariria mahuthiro ma ciringi milioni 162 iria ciabatie kurekererio ta mahuthiro ma arutwo 4,521 university-ini cia andu kiumbe kuona kuringana na wabici ya muthurimi wa mathabu ma thirikari mbeca ici itiakinyeire university.
According to our financial statements, which again we have been able to confirm clearly, Honorable Chairperson and members, is that actually the unexplained variance is not 162 million, but 7 million.
Ngurani ya mathabu ma muthurimi wa mathabu ma thirikari na mathabu ma Ministry ya Githomo ona kuhanura uguo itumurire ndereti hiyo Minister wa Githomo Ezekiel Machogu agitetera mathabu ma Ministry.
As much as we account for the financial year, I think there was a mix-up on the figures, the current year plus the financial year.
Kamiti ino nitumurite ciuria cia uri ihinda-ini oriri kuri university cia mukirire mbeca maita meri ma budget iria yabangitwo kuria ciringi milioni 17,374,388 makiria ciahuthikire.
You don't need technology, you don't need follow-up to know that you are repeating names. This was done. Whoever did it knew what they were doing.
The exact information of a student and monitoring 1 year, second year, whether the guy is on, and the funding that we will be able to do to our public universities will be based on that particular information.
Kamiti ino riu irenda ruhonge rwa uthuthuria rwa DCI oro hamwe na kamiti ya kuhurana na NGUKUMIO EACC gutafania uthuthuria mwanya magikwa kuri maabitha ministry-ini ya githomo makoretwo makinyitanira na university kungumia kigina kia muingi.
Universities that are colluding with the ministry officials, we will be recommending that our charge goes beyond the ministry and to the universities, so that we are not only punishing the ministry officials but also the university officials.
Handu-ini ha KAMITII TV, njitagwo Ngina wa WABICI.